They're asking us to find out n value. So Sn value they gave 210, n by 2. So here A value they gave and An value they gave. I can use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus An, or last term I can call it as A plus L. That value that formula we have used. So 8 plus 60 is 70. So here 235 is a 35n. So n is equals to 210 by 35, n value 6. And D value, they're asking us to find 6th term of an AP. 6th term of an AP they gave. That is A plus 5D. So apply the value. You'll be getting D value 54 by 5. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Next, I'll go to 8th sum. 8th sum, nth term of an AP. An they gave. An value 4. D value they gave 2. And Sn the value they gave minus 14. They're asking us to find out N and A. So Sn value they gave minus 14. Apply the value in the formula. They did not give A value. First we'll find out A value. So N value they gave minus 14. Minus 14 divided by 2 it is 7. So N minus A plus An value they gave 4. This 2 if I cross multiply, minus 28 is equal to N into A plus 4. N value 28 divided by A plus 4, or you can find out A value first. Then An value they gave A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply An value 4 and N value they gave, already we got N value minus 28 by A plus 4. That you apply. If you solve, A value will be getting 10. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Have you all got A value 10? N value 7?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Next is 9th one. A value they gave 3, N value they gave 8, S value 192. They're asking us to find out D value. Just apply Sn value. All the values A value, N value and Sn value if you apply, you'll be getting D value 6.
6.
Yeah. Next to J sum. Last term they gave L is equals to 28 means An is equals to 28. Sn value 144. They're asking us to find out there are total 9 terms. Find A value.
A value.
So Sn value they gave 144 and N value it is, they're asking us to find out 9 terms. Sum of 9 terms. N by 2 into A plus L means An value. That is 28.
Ma'am, A value is 4, ma'am.
A value
Ma'am,
4.
discussing still homework question only, ma'am.
Yes, I'm discussing still homework question here. So last question answer is A value 4. Any doubt in the homework sums, children?
No, ma'am.
I'm asking this question to all of them.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall I start today's class, children?
Ma'am.
Yeah, start from question number
7.
Yesterday I finished up to question number 6. Exercise 5.3. We are doing sum of first terms of an AP. Up to 6th question we finished yesterday. Now I'm going to start 7th question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D value they gave 7 and 22nd term is 149. 22nd term is A and they gave 149. Am I clear, children? Here, as we know, A value is the first term, D is the common difference. Here, D value they gave 7. D value they gave 7. A 22, the value they gave, nth term of an AP 149. If A 22 149 is A plus 21 D is equals to 149. Yes, or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So find out D value. A plus 21 D. Apply D value 7. D value just apply, you'll be getting A value.
2, ma'am. 2.
A plus 21D is equals to 149. 21 into 7 is 147. So D value is equals to 149 minus 147. It is 2. Have you all got A value 2, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Next, they're asking us to find out sum of first 22 terms of an AP. So N value 22. So we know the formula N value 22, A value 2, D value 7. So nth term, sum of N terms is N value they gave 22.
1.
Ma'am,
Apply N value
1
22.
661.
1661, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1661.
1661.
I think you both have finished before I started the class, right?
No, ma'am.
I want you to solve with me, right? N value 22 by 2 and here 2 into A value 2, 2 to the 4. N value 22 minus 1, 21. D value 7.
22 by 7 is 11, no, ma'am. 11
Yes.
into 151 is 160.
12 into 4 plus 21 into D. It is 151 into 11, 1661. So sum of first 22 terms is 1661. Any doubt, children?
Ma'am.
Anyone have doubt in the sum?
No, ma'am.
Ranjini, Lekha, Neha.
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
8th question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third term are 14 and 8. Here second A2 value they gave 14, A3 value they gave 18. So continuous value they gave A2 and A3. So what is the D value?
4.
4.
4. So since A3 minus A2 is D value, we got 4. So from that we'll find out A value. So A1, A plus 2D is 14. We got D value. Find out A value, children.
Ma'am, A value is 10, ma'am.
A plus D is equals to 14. So D value, we got 4. So 14 minus 4, A value we got 10. They're asking us to find out 51 terms. So N value 51. Apply in the equation, children. Sn is equals to N by 2 into A plus N minus 1 into D.
Ma'am, 5610.
Have you all got the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am. 5610.
Nitya? Got the answer, Nitya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Anyone have doubt in the question number 8?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Should I move on to question number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, that is S7. Write down, children, given S7 is equals to 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. S17 is 289. Write down, children. S7 is equals to 49 and S17 is equals to 289. S7 means N value they gave 7. Apply in the formula N value. Sn is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here apply only N value. 49 is equals to 7 divided by 2 into 2A plus 6D. This is how you'll get. First one, S7, apply the value. 49 is equal to 7 by 2. Here 2A plus N minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6D we are getting. Then in this equation, I'll take out 2 common. If I take out 2 common, inside only A plus 3 will remain. And 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we are getting A plus 3D is equal to here 49 and 7. If I divide, I'll get only 7. This is the equation I'll be getting. All this equation as 1. Anyone have doubt till equation 1, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Same thing, take S17. So n value 17. So 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16t we are getting. Even in this equation I'll take out 2 common. A plus 8d. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 70 into a plus 80 is equal to 289. So 289 I'll divide 17. I'll be getting a plus 80 is equal to 17. Any doubt in equation 2?
No, ma'am.
Now equation 1 and 2 I'll subtract. I'll subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So a plus 80 is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. If I subtract a and a will get cancelled. 8 minus 3d is equal to 5d. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. d is equal to 10 divided by 2. It is 2. So 10 divided by 5 it is 2. So this d value, either apply equation 1 or equation 2. You'll be getting a value 1. Anyone have doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
They're asking us to find the sum of n terms, Sn value. Yes? N terms they're asking.
By 2.
They're asking us to find out n terms. Write the formula. N by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value, n terms they're asking is n only just remain as it is because it is n terms. A value they gave 1. 2 into 1 is 2. D value they gave 2. So the D value we have got 2. So 2 plus 2 into n 2n minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. So n by 2 into 2n. In this n by 2 into 2n, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Answer is n square. Sum of first n terms is n square. Anyone have doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Where have we used this formula, children, in grade 8? Sum of first n terms of natural number is n square. You have learned this in the properties, some chapter properties you have learned.
Algebraic expressions, ma'am.
Algebraic expression.
No,
No.
Linear equation.
no.
Square numbers, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Lekha. Square and square root, the properties we have learned this one. Sum of first n terms, n natural numbers is n square. You remember that, children? We have made an activity also by doing the boxes.
Yes,
Color
ma'am.
box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next question, children? 10th one. Show that A1, A2, AN of an AP, where AN is defined as below. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n and AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Each case we need to find out. So they first see what they've given. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So we don't know the A1, A2, A3, A values, right? We don't know first term, second term, third term, anything. First we'll find out at least minimum 4 terms by applying n value 1. So if I apply n value 1, I'll be getting 7, n value 2, 11, n value 3, 15, n value 4, 19. So in this one, so we got to the common difference is 4. Any doubt in this, children?
No, ma'am.
So from this we got to know A value is 7, D value is 4. Yes, they're asking us to find out 15th term. 15 divided by 2. So A value we got 7, D value we got 4. Apply those values in the equation. So 2 into 7, 14. 15 minus 1, it is 14. D value 4. Is 15 by 2 into 78. It is 525. Anyone have doubt? So here show that A1, A2, AN form an AP. So form an AP in the sense apply, take n value 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting first, second, third, and fourth term. So just check common difference. If we are getting common difference same, then we can say it is an AP. Lahari, will you please mute your device, Lahari? Anyone have doubt, children here?
No, ma'am.
First, we need to show this is an AP. So take n value 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 terms we got. Check the common difference. If we are getting common difference same, I can say this is an AP. After get to know it is AP, then we need to check sum of first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms is n value 15. Apply a value, d value. So we are getting the answer 525. Now I want all of them to do the second one. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Take n value 1, 2, 3, 4 and check what is a value and d value. What is a value? If it is n is 1, a value is 9 minus 5, 4.
4, ma'am.
Yes. What is d value? D value.
-5.
Yes. Here if I take 2, minus 10, first value is 4. I'll take out Harika. Yes, what is d value, children?
6, ma'am. -6.
6.
Ma'am, -5.
Minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 4 is -5. So common difference we are getting -5 same. So say it is an AP first. Then they are asking us to find out for both 15th term. Then apply a value 4 and d value -5. So we are getting answer -465. Have you all got the same answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all got the same answer?
Still solving, ma'am. 2
Very
minutes.
good. Okay. Yes, Yashasvi, any doubt, Yashasvi? Yashasvi?
Ma'am, it's -465.
Yes, correct, children. What about others?
Ma'am,
What
it's
about others, children? Have you all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
First, there are 2 questions are there in this one.
Ma'am.
First, you need to check this is an AP or not. So apply n value 1, 2, 3, 4. Get first 4 terms. Then subtract. Find common difference. If you're getting common difference constant value, then you can say it is an AP. Then you can find out 15 terms, sum of 15 terms of an AP. Any doubt, children, in this one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Eleventh question. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first, that is S1? First, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first 2 terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, the 10th, and the nth term. Anyone have understood this question, children? If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. That is Sn value they gave. Write down, children. Sn value they gave 4n minus n square. And what is the first term? Means n value 1. Apply n value 1 here. 4 into 1, 4. And 1 into 1, 1 square. 4 minus 1, 3.
3.
S1 we got 3 children. I'll repeat once again. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sn value they gave 4n minus n square. Am I clear?
Ma'am.
And they're asking us to find out first term. Means n value 1. If I apply n value 1, 4 into 1, 4. 1 square means 1. First term is 3 we are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubt, children? Same
No,
thing.
ma'am.
Tell me second
ma'am.
term.
4.
4.
Second term. 4 2s are
4,
8.
ma'am.
Here 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4, 4 we are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is A2 term? A2 is nothing but as S2 minus S1.
1.
Second term S2 minus S1. First term we got 3. Second term S2 minus S1. It is 4 minus 3, 1.
1.
Then what is D value?
Minus 2.
Yes, very good. Who's that?
Anshvir, ma'am.
Very good. D value is here. A2 is S2 minus S1. S1 is n value 1. Here n value 2. So both if we subtract this, we get 4 minus 2 children. First term, second term if we get. This is the first term. This is second term. So difference of that is nothing but is a A2 no children. Then D value is A2 minus A. Second term minus first term. 1 minus 3 it is minus 2. So once we get D value, now nth term. Nth term. They're asking, similarly find the third and 10th and nth term. So third term is A plus 2D children.
Yes, ma'am.
Third term is A plus 2D. What you are getting?
Minus 1.
A plus 2D. So here A value 5. D value minus 2 means minus 2 into 3 here. N value 3. It is minus 1. Same thing. Children, we are getting A value and D value. Here nth term of an AP you need to find out. Third term is A plus 2D. 10th term is A plus 9D.
Minus 45.
A10 is minus 15.
Minus 15. Minus 15.
After getting A value and D value, so find out third term and 10th term. Third term is A plus 2D. 10th term is A plus 9D. So apply those values and find out here.
Yes, ma'am.
Third term is minus 1. 10th term is minus 15. Any doubt in the previous question, children?
No, ma'am.
11th one.
No, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sonika Raksha, are you there? Sonika Raksha,
Ma'am.
any doubt, Sonika? Why are you not answering, Sonika?
No doubt, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
12th one. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. What does it mean, children? First 40 positive integers. What do you mean by this?
Divisibility of 6.
Yes. So 6 table, right? What's the first term? What's the A value here?
6.
6.
D value?
6.
6.
Because it is a divisible by 6. There are multiples of 6 we are writing. So difference will be same as 6. So we got A value 6, D value 6. They're asking us to find out sum of first positive integer. So S40. We need to find out S40. So apply the equation. Tell me the answer, children. A value 6. A value 6. D value 6. And N value 40. Apply the sum of first in terms of any sum of 40 terms, children. Applying the formula and tell me the answer.
20. 4, 9,
So quickly solved, Madan.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A value 6 and D value also 6. N value 40. Apply this values in SN formula. Sum of first 40 terms. Yes, 40 is equals to N by 2 into plus N minus 1 into D.
244.
Ma'am, 4,920.
Ma'am, 4,920.
Correct. 4,920. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 2m is 12. And 40 minus 1, 39 into 6. 39 into 6 is
234.
234. 234 plus 12, 246. 246 into 20, it is 4920.
0.
Anyone have doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So any doubt in today's class, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall I give some space on this?
Yes,
Homework.
Ma'am.
Just read this question, children. Find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Continuation is here. AP nth term is 5n minus 1. Hence, find the sum of first 20 terms. Just now we have solved this type of question, children. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
First, you need to find out the first term. Then D value. After that, N value, take 20 and find out. Same type of question we have solved just now. 4n square minus n. Anyone have doubt in the first question, children?
No, ma'am.
Second one is the sum of first n terms of an AP is 1 by 2 3n square plus 7n. It has continued the next line, children. 1 by 2 3n square plus 7n. Then find its nth term and hence write its 20th term. Means here Sn value I gave. Sn value is 1 by 2 3n square plus 7n. Any doubt here, children?
No, ma'am.
Then check out Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1. So nth term we are getting answer 3n plus 2. So 20th term answer is 62. Just try that out, these children. It's a high order thinking question.
Can you please explain the second question again, ma'am?
Here second question I gave Sn value.
SN value.
Here second question Sn value I gave half into 3n square plus 7n. Okay. Next find Sn minus 1. Because I need nth term Sn minus 1. So take in the place of n minus 1. So then both is subtract. Like how we are doing Sn minus 1 both is subtract. You'll be getting half into 6n plus 4. Take out common. 3n plus 2 is the answer. And the 20th term is 62. Try out this high order thinking question. Try this one. I gave a hint. Next third one. How many terms of AP 3579 must be added to get the sum of 120? So here third sum A value 3 and D value 5 minus 3 it is 2, right? SN value, we need to get 120. So SN value 120. Am I clear, children? Apply this value. You'll be getting a quadratic equation. So that the N value will be getting 10. Two values will get N value minus 12 and 10. So take positive number, N value 10. So because numbers cannot be negative here, because it is mentioned here. Am I clear, children? First three sums. Second is high order thinking. Solve all three. Any doubt in today's class, children? Any doubt in today's class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So thank you, children. Practice all the sums. So in the classwork, when you're writing, please try to do by your own. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.